Distinguished Commissioner, distinguished President of CBD COP, Yasmin Fuat, I'm very happy to see you here. Honorable Ministers, I'm very honored to address you today at this UNEP meeting as the President of COP24, which ended in Katowice with the adoption of a rule book. And this rule book makes Paris Agreement alive. And as you may recall, when we have agreed in Paris in 2015, we have agreed on a global set of principles. But then these principles needed to be put into action, into a framework. And this framework was achieved by you, by the entire planet, in Katowice, and I would like, first of all, starting my intervention, to thank all ministers here for valuable contribution and for the fact that we, as the planet, have right now framework to implement the Paris Agreement. And special thanks for those of you who contributed in a very tense and intense manner, working night and day in Katowice to deliver the Katowice rulebook. So my special thanks goes also to Yasmin Fuat, Minister from Egypt. She was running one of the key elements of this discussion. So the Katowice rulebook was a huge and difficult step forward and undoubtedly a reason for celebration. However, finalizing Katowice rulebook is only another step on a long climate change journey, and our planetary success is still far from guaranteed. And today, together, I think we have an opportunity to ask ourselves, how do we stimulate the level of effort by the governments and consequently by our societies? Today, here in UNEP, we focus on sustainable production and consumption and the culture of innovation as an enabler towards reaching our goals. And rightly so, the key role of engagement and leadership, social acceptance, inclusiveness and fairness, solidarity and just transition is underscored in this deliberation. We need a people-centered approach to a successful climate action. And in three elements which for me are pillars of climate action, which is governance, technology and people, we can proudly say that the governance is here. We have Paris Agreement, we have Katowice rulebook. Technologies are there. We have a number of technologies which are available whenever it's in photovoltaics, wind technology, clean energy, waste management, electromobility, transportation, all is in place. Right now what we need is that we need to focus on people. And this is something that we have also marked in Katowice by adoption of Silesia Declaration on Solidarity and Just Transition. So a socially sensitive climate regulations which take a fair economic and human rights approach toward inducing this deep transition are a must.